Hello friends, today I will discuss about a very common medical complaint, that is shortness of breath. What is shortness of breath? We are breathing all the time. As I am talking, I am breathing, we read while we breathe, we are eating and we are breathing, but hardly are we aware of our breathing. But under certain circumstances, we become aware of our breathing, like while performing a physical exercise or lifting heavy load, or if we are under some kind of anxiety or emotional stress, we might be aware of our breathing. It feels like we are falling short of our breath and we are trying to catch up with our breath. It is then that it is known as shortness of breath. Shortness of breath is also known as dyspnea in medical terminology. The causes of shortness of breath could be many. It may be caused due to simple factors like anxiety or physical exertion, or it may be caused due to some underlying diseases like asthma, chronic obstructive pulmonary diseases, heart failure, and some other conditions. Now, on one hand, it is important to get the cause of shortness of breath diagnosed and treated. On the other hand, we must know how to manage shortness of breath. I will show you a few simple strategies to control shortness of breath. So, let's see.
The first technique is pursed lip breathing. Inhale deeply through nose and exhale through mouth by making a small opening between the lips. Do this for 4 to 5 times. Next are a series of positions. This is high side lying. Lie on your side, propped up on 3 to 4 pillows. Support arm on a pillow. Place a pillow in between the knees. This is erect sitting. This position stretches the spine, opens up the ribs, and improves breathing. This is forward lean position, forward lean sitting. This fixes the shoulder and reduces the work of accessory muscles of breathing, which reduces shortness of breath. The spine is stretched and it is opened up. This is a variant of forward lean sitting, that is forward lean sitting with arms supported on a table. This is another variant of forward lean sitting with arms and head rested on a pillow. This is forward lean standing. Stand with a wide base of support, keeping the legs apart. Support your arms on a table or a windowsill. Repeat all these for 4 to 5 times.
Now, apart from adopting these postures, we can also use a few breathing strategies to control shortness of breath. The first such breathing strategy is called as stacked breathing. Let us see how this is to be done. Position yourself comfortably on a chair. Relax the muscles of your neck and shoulder girdle by resting your elbows on the armrest of a chair. Now follow me. First, take a deep breath in through your nose. Take in some more air and yet some more. Hold it for 2 to 3 seconds and let it go. I repeat this once again. Breathe in through nose and breathe out through mouth. So this helps to reduce shortness of breath. The next breathing technique is called as diaphragmatic breathing. How to perform diaphragmatic breathing? Sit comfortably on a chair like this with your arms supported on the armrest of the chair. Place both your hands on upper abdomen like this. This is the area of the diaphragm. Now begin with first fully emptying your lung by performing a full exhalation through mouth. Follow this with a deep inspiration or inhalation through the nose. And once again release the air through your mouth. Remember that air has to be taken in through nose and it has to be taken out through mouth. I will repeat this once again. Perform the exhalation through pursed lips as shown earlier. Diaphragmatic breathing helps to reduce the rate of breathing and thereby it calms our breathing. So, I hope by following these simple strategies, we will be able to manage our shortness of breath effectively. Thank you.